In this video, we will see how we can block another machine accessing a particular server. So for this example, I have opened two terminal screens, and the first terminal screen shows the system on PC1, and the second terminal screen shows the system on PC2. So you may need two computers to test out this demonstration. So now I'm going to test whether I can access PC1 from PC2. But before that, let's check the IP addresses of each PC. So for that, let me type IP-4-BR-IEFA, and we can see that the IP address of the first machine is .20, and let's type the command here to check the IP address on this system, and we can see the IP address is .7. Next, we will try to SSH using a user into the PC1. 192.168.0.20. We press enter, it will ask for password, and we press the password and press enter, and we can log in into the machine. So let's check the IP address. Yes, we are inside the PC1. Okay, now let's log out by pressing Ctrl D. And now let's go into PC1, and now we are going to open the file that blocks access or allows access. So in this case, we are going to open the file that blocks access. So for that, we type sudo nano space etc /hosts .deny, and we press enter. So we press the down arrow key until we reach the last section, and then we type ALL:/ followed by the IP address that we want to block. So in this case, we type 192.168.0.7, and we save this file by pressing Ctrl O, and we press enter, and we press Ctrl X to exit. We now go into PC2, and we try to log in again by typing SSH followed by the username at IP address, and we press enter, and you will notice that it may or may not show an error message. In this case, it showed error message that the connection has been reset. It didn't show the actual error message that we have been blocked. It might show some other error message similar to this message. But what has happened is we have actually managed to block the access from PC2 into PC1. Now let's say we want to open the access again to allow PC2 to access into PC1. So we go into PC1, and we press the up arrow and edit the file. Now we go down, and we can comment this by typing the symbol in front of this, and we press Ctrl O and we press enter, and then we press Ctrl X. And now we go into PC2 and let's try to log in again using the SSH command. And this time it asks for password. And yes, we can access into the system. So this illustrates how to block and allow or unblock a list of other machines from accessing your server. So for example, if PC1 is the server, then you would list down all the IP address that you wish to block. Thank you.